Callaway. Andrew Callaway proving me wrong. He's not over this game. Israel Folau, the step. Oh, what a finisher. And that's what he does when he gets a bit of space.
Not much on here. Callaway decides to give it a crack at long last. Gives the ball to Folau. Just have a look at this. Fantastic step, swerve, everything, balance, quality of the man, Folau.
Yeah, good finish.
To Wepu, does so, and off it goes, fired across, and Carter's going to make it 3.
Rowers had a go. There's McDonald, he's up in the line, and Carter will in and out. He had a player on the outside, he could have just given it, maybe scored. But he's very, very dangerous in this area, and I don't care who he's playing. He's got that ability to fend and go again.
Hoare goes short, and that's all pretty quick to Romano. Perfectly legal. Here's Carter. Carter's through. Now can he link up Dan Carter? Just couldn't find anyone to give the ball to. Now it's with McCaw. Slips a nice pass here to Smith, Ben Smith. And they set it again for Wepu. Now here's Andrew Hoare. Ducks under one. Ball pretty slow though. Now, here he goes again, Dan Carter, slips it away, and Israel daggers in. Beautifully done, Dan Carter.
And then from there, he was the man who finished. Here's the step. He goes inside Ross Rennie. From there, takes the tackle very wisely, didn't panic. He had players marked outside him. The pass would have been risky. He gets the ball again, and look at the footwork. There, through again the gas. And he could have probably gone himself. He probably just got slightly tipped, but Israel daggers through. Yeah. Dan Carter's try, though, super.
Now the mistake. Here goes Carter. Carter out to the wing again. It's Sean Johnson. Sean Johnson. It's another one for the Warriors. The error from Josh Adokar. Sean Johnson makes them play.
Here comes Joseph. Lovely ball out wide for Rockendenguni. Oh, he's absolutely skinned Lucy. And here goes Rockendenguni. Wade makes the tackle. Then Ford's reaction, he knows. I mean, that is just sensational. But Ford knows he can see all those black shirts. After this happens, all the black shirts chasing down like a beast to a honeypot, trying to get in and stop the attack.
Backwards to gather that. Cipriani, oh, he's gone through, and now surely taken by Bassett. Bassett will score.
How good is this from Cipriani? Going absolutely nowhere. You need a bit of magic, and that's exactly what he provides. Goose steps to the outside. Josh Bassett hogging the touchdown on the left, goes in for an easy try. Just a little hitch kick, gets outside Vunipola, ball in 2 hands. Beautiful timing of the pass to Josh Bassett. We knew this was going to be a huge test for Cipriani. He always steps up on a big occasion. That's a wonderful bit of individual flair.
Argentina coming again, and it might be a straight race to the line, and it's Cordero again. Cordero is in once more. Try follows try for Argentina. They're destroying Georgia in the second half at Kingsholm.
Tremendous piece of individual brilliance from Cordero. He's been outstanding all day. Every time